Now, some are wondering if all this good news could backfire. Matt Markham live in our newsroom now to explain. Matt?
Hi, Jerry. This has been a slow and steady recovery, according to analysts, and now the average rate on a 30-year mortgage is now just shy of 4%. That's the highest it's been since March of last year, and it does mean more money coming out of your pocket.
If rates weren't going up, that means the economy would not be improving.
If you've got to spend money to make money, we're doing it. Drew Aiello of Homestead Funding says more people are finding the homestead that they're looking for before mortgages are going to cost you more.
You're going to start to see some of that stimulus be tapered off that the Federal Reserve has been providing. And as they taper their stimulus, you'll start to see interest rates go up.
Through the big picture window of home sales, those rates are still low.
Mortgage rates have lifted off the bottom. It implies a better labor market, a better housing market, tighter inventory.
But in the same week mortgage rates jumped, the Mortgage Bankers Association reports mortgage applications dropped.
For every $100,000 that you would mortgage, your payment would go from about $438 or $439 a month to about $486 a month. So you're paying about $48 a month more.
It might move people out of qualifying. You know, if rates go up too much, then there's less people that can afford homes.
There could be a rush on the market now for people looking to buy the house they've always wanted, fearful, though, that rates will continue to climb.
The way the market is now, it's a nice balanced market. Neither seller nor buyer has an advantage in negotiations.
The chance that rates will drop back to the lowest of the low is unlikely, but the experts say a rapid upward trend isn't likely either.
You know, if you came back in 20 years and told somebody what you bought your home for today, they wouldn't believe you.
Freddie Mac reported today that the 15-year fixed mortgage rate also rose to above 3% for the first time this year. Fears over the Fed possibly scaling back bond purchases, causing interest rates to rise, Jerry.
And Matt, we've seen growth in the housing market despite the rising rates. Is it still a good time to buy a home?
That's what they're saying. Locally, prices are up about 4 or 5% over last year, and that translates into a good return for the seller, confidence for the buyer to invest, and it could work out being cheaper to buy than to rent. So maybe some of us should think about buying a house now.
Sounds like maybe you're thinking about it. All right.
I'm thinking about it.
All right, very good then. See, it's working. All right, thanks, Matt.